So this is the Swell Pro. Swell Pro Spry Plus. Actually, it's a very nice drone. So I got this today. It's a solidly built drone, and in fact, it's a solid, or maybe even better than the older Phantom 3s, which were solidly built. I think it's a little bit thicker, and then it's got a nice matte rubbery feel to it, so you know it really feels durable. It's kind of hefty, so it's a nice drone. So I flew it the back of the condo. Flies well. Motors are very strong, and I love the props. Look at the props. They fit 60 by 45 props, so they're like racer drones. Not really the same format as the flycam drones like the DJIs now. This looks more like a racer, and it actually feels and acts like a racer when an FPV racer when you fly it. So I love the props, translucent, plasticky but sturdy props. So this is good for me because I can actually replace this with my own FPV props from before. So I have a lot of HQ props and older FPV props that are 6045 or 6040, so this will perfectly fit here. So that's good. And then the controller. The nice thing about this is it actually, you turn it on pretty quickly and it's ready to fly. So I'll show you how. So you just press the power button, and that's on, and then you press the controller, and then look how fast that is ready to fly. So it's actually quicker than the DJIs when it comes to booting up. Obviously you have to wait for the satellites to come in, so there's no GPS here. So outside, when you hit around 8 satellites, you're good to go to fly. So I did it a while ago outside, but it's dark here, but just wanted to test it out. So it boots up pretty fast, and that's the nice thing about this. No phone screen needed. It's got a built-in screen, so you turn on the drone, turn on the controller, and then it's almost instant, and then you're ready to fly. The only thing here is a major drawback is there's no gimbal, so it's just a fixed camera that goes up and down, but there's no gimbal. It doesn't really move freely side to side. So that's I think that's a limitation. But I ordered a Runcam 5 orange, so perfect, matches the color here, and that should take, I think, better videos with the EIS stabilization. So we'll try that out. But this is a powerful drone. I mean, the motors are huge, and then this also comes with a tri-prop. I got one too, a 5-inch tri-prop, so that should give it more thrust. But if you want stable cruising flights, this is really good. So yeah, that's it. Love the controller. It's small form factor, almost as maybe similar size as the Mini 2 DJI, a little bit bigger, but it's really thin. I love it. And then all the features that you fly with, they're all hard-coded into the controller. So you have the GPS mode here, you have the circle flight, and then ATTI or attitude mode without GPS, and then you have a normal flight mode and return to home. I haven't tried that yet because it's a condo area where I live, so I just flew it nearby, did a few rounds by the parking area, but flies well. The camera doesn't take good video at night, so low light is not really good. Hope to try it during daytime. But yeah, this is a pretty good drone. I'll do a deeper review into it when I fly it more. But so far I like what I see. Great build, flies well, and of course it's waterproof. So yeah, so far that's it. So quick to turn it off. One quick press of a button and it's off, and then you turn off the controller. Yep, so that's it. So you have two antennas here. One is 2.4 gig. This handles the communication between the controller and the drone, and then provides the information on telemetry for the drone. And then the other one is 5.8 gigahertz. This one takes care of the video feed. On paper it says it will go a range of up to 800 meters out. But I can replace it with my own antennas that are higher gain. So I have 12 dBi gain antennas, which could push it out to around 1.5 kilometers. So I'll try that out too. So yeah, so far that's it for now, and then I'll do a deeper review when I fly it more. So thank you, and tune in for more.